Today I am making very tempting and tasty tikka biryani. There are two parts to this biryani recipe. First, we prepare chicken marination spices, coriander, black pepper, clove, cinnamon, black cardamom, coriander powder, nutmeg, curry leaves, black pepper, green cardamom. Grind all the spices. Yogurt 1 cup, red chili 2 tablespoon, whole spices 2 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, lemon juice half cup. All spices mix in yogurt. Marinate chicken for 3 or 4 hours or overnight in freezer. These are rice ingredients: tomatoes 3, onion 2 medium size, yogurt 1 cup, green chili, ginger garlic, make a paste, whole spices, tamarind, cumin, black pepper, clove, black cardamom, star anise, whole spices, bay leaf. Soaked rice in water for half hour before cooking. Meanwhile, we are cooking chicken tikka. Cover it. Fry onion till light golden brown color. Add tomatoes. Whole spices. And ginger garlic paste. Cook for 5 minutes. Add yogurt. Add yogurt 1 cup. Cover it for 2 or 3 minutes. Add soaked rice. Rice is half kg. 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it. Now chicken is almost ready. Very tender and juicy chicken. 1 or 3 minutes more. Rice is almost ready. Serve rice with chicken. A different taste and style of biryani is ready. If you like my video, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Now I am putting chicken tikka. Smell is very good. You can enjoy tikka with yogurt also. Thanks for watching. Very delicious biryani is ready to eat.